Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into the US Bank app. Whether you are a new user or someone who needs a quick refresher, this guide will help you get started instantly. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Download the US Bank app. If you haven't already done so, start by downloading the US Bank app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for US Bank in the App Store of your device and tap Download to install the app. Step 2. Open the app. Once the app is successfully installed on your device, locate the US Bank app icon and tap to open it. Step 3. Click on Log In. On the main screen of the app, you will see the option to log in. Tap this button to begin the login process. Step 4. Enter your user ID. In the login screen that appears, input your user ID in the provided field. If you do not have a user ID, you can easily create one by following the on-screen prompts. Step 5. Enter your password. After entering your user ID, go to the next field where you will enter your password. Make sure you input it correctly, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. Step 6. Click Log In. Once both your user ID and password are entered, click the Login button to access your account. Step 7. Enable biometric login. Optional. For your convenience, after logging in, the app may prompt you to enable biometric login options such as fingerprint or facial recognition. This feature lets you log in quickly and securely without having to enter your user ID and password each time. Step 8. Explore your account. Congratulations! You're now logged into your US Bank account. Feel free to explore the various features available to you, including checking your balance, transferring funds, and paying bills. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.